Okay, last silent letters and some silent syllables. Rhombus. The H is silent.
Shh.
Rhombus. Fridgy. This word has two silent letters, the D and E.
Shh. Shh.
We say fridge. Iceland. Nope, the S is silent,
Shh.
so we say island. Okay, last one. Chocolate. This word has a silent syllable and a silent letter.
Shh. Shh.
Chocolate. Crazy, hey?
Rhombus. 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 Rhythm. 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 Fridge. 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 Bridge. 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 Badge. 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 Island. 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 Handkerchief. 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 Business. 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 Chocolate. 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 Vegetable. 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 Vegetable.
1,
Rhombus. Rhombus. Rhombus.
2,
Rhythm. Rhythm. Rhythm.
3,
Fridge. Fridge.
4,
Bridge. Bridge.
5,
Badge. Badge.
6,
Island. Island. Island.
7,
Handkerchief. Handkerchief. Handkerchief.
8,
Business. Business. Business.
9,
Chocolate. Chocolate. Chocolate.
10,
Vegetable. Vegetable. Vegetable.